Hi guys, so as you can tell from the title of the video, I have a Katie Loxton handbag unboxing video for you all today. This is the second time filming this. I was originally going to show you the actual cardboard box that everything arrived in. However, Nova has claimed that box as her own. I will insert a clip of it because it's adorable. So I can't actually show you that box, but please rest assured the box that it arrived in was a big, massive cardboard box. I ordered these two bags a couple of weeks ago. They were on sale on the Katie Loxton website. And what is really cool is you can personalise these, but we'll talk all about that when we get onto that. So the actual packaging is here, which I will show you. The box is underneath. So really nice touch. You can also have a gift bag included in your order for no extra charge, which I think is lovely. And it is just this really big gift bag. Both of the bags are in here. Both bags are for me. I think you can also have the bags packaged separately. If you hear any noise, Nova is still in the cardboard box, so that's her making that noise, it's not me. Haven't ordered from this brand before, so this is very much like an unboxing and first impressions. And also have the gift bags personalised. I didn't bother, but you can do that. Both bags are in here, and then it just has tissue paper which just says Katie Loxton, and then with love. We'll write the information for both of these bags in the description, but we will start off with the bag that Matthew says is the funniest looking. So I got this one. I don't know what fabric this is,
Suitcase material,
but it is huge. So my premise behind this is I thought this would be a really great bag for travelling, purely because of the size of it. Firstly, I don't have any bags in this colour. I actually don't have any bags in either of the colours of the bags that I've bought, and I thought this was a really great size. Like, it's huge. This is the size of it for scale. You can have your initials embroidered into this bag too, which I have done. So right here it just says Katie Loxton, then I've put my initials here. They're actually embroidered really nicely. I would definitely say this one is probably more of an everyday bag, and the size of a bag that a lot of people will probably see as more appropriate than the other one. So this, oh, I like this. So this is the second bag. They are very squished because they have been in the packaging. So this one is, I'm not sure, I'll show you the label. They were both on sale, and again I'll put all the information in the description for you guys so you can refer to that. So on this one, it's the same thing in that it says Katie Loxton right here. And then I have had my name embroidered on that. This is a different font to the other bag, so this is more delicate, I would say. It's also more whimsical. They have lots of different fonts you can pick, so you could do your initials from your first name and your last name, or you could just do your first name. I wanted my first name on this because I think it looks really cool, and I intend to use this as an everyday bag. I've also looked at the label, and it says, which I didn't realise, is it says designed in the UK. I'll show you. I know a lot of the bags from Katie Loxton are also vegan leather. I don't know if every single bag is vegan leather, but I know quite a lot of them are, which is really great if that's something you are interested in. What I would say as well with these is once you have these personalised though, you cannot return them. That's what it said anyway on the website. So that might be something to think about. The only thing I don't know if I love about this bag is the fact that there isn't a zip, and also the straps. Now the straps don't look super thin, but if you see, they don't look like the thickest of straps. So I'm not sure how they would wear. We will see. And I think this size bag will be perfect for me. I have my Dr. Martens bag, which is the heart-shaped bag that I love, but it's actually not big enough for everything. This should, in theory, be big enough for everything, so I can fit all of my stuff in here, and a book also. There's on the label what you had embroidered on this, and then the colour you had it embroidered. So I had Aurora, and I had it embroidered in gold, and that's what it looks like. I went for gold because I thought the gold would look good because the Katie Loxton is in gold, so it would match. Really happy I went with that. I think this looks really pretty, really impressed. So that was this bag. Then the other one, and this is a different fabric. This is like a canvas sort of fabric, and this just has my initials on, AM. This is a different font, but again, this is embroidered. So I wanted to get 2 bags that had different embroidery styles on. So this has my initials on, and then the other has my whole first name on. This also is a different font to that other one, just so again we could see. And I think that this font really suits this bag with the style, because it's a little bit more bold and it's a bigger font, whereas I think with this one, the embroidery of my whole name really suits this designer bag in this space. So I'm really happy with that choice. First impressions, really like these bags. We'll get use out of both of them. I'm going to use this one as my everyday bag once I film this video, so I'm going to transfer my stuff into this. At time of purchase, they are both on sale, which was a big factor in me purchasing them. And if I remember right, this one I think was around £24 or £25. First impressions, I really like both these bags. I think that they are very nice. They're very different colours for me, but I quite like that. I like the fact that they're neutral colours. I think this is a really nice brand. I think it feels quite expensive. It feels quite luxurious, and I think that personalisation is a really lovely touch. I think they would make, off of first impressions, really beautiful gifts for somebody. And I think as well, maybe if you have a unique name and you can't find your name on everything, it might be a really nice gift to give someone with that personalisation. Other thing I would say to be mindful of is, according to their website, so once you purchase these bags and they send you your proof of purchase, it does say on there that because you've personalised them, they're not eligible for return or for exchange, so that might be something to think about and be mindful of. I have no plans to return either of these bags. I like these bags, I intend to use these bags, but if you were getting them as a gift for somebody, maybe double check that they want that personalisation on there, or just check what you are actually getting personalised on that bag. But yeah, this was just a video to talk about them, show you them, because I'm really excited to use them. And yeah, I just wanted to show you these bags and talk a little bit about this brand, because I haven't heard a huge amount about this, and it seems like quite a nice brand, and that personalisation I think really sets this brand apart. The quality of the bag feels really nice. Haven't used them, so I can't follow that up right now with any sort of comment. So if you've bought any bags from this brand, let me know your thoughts, and I will keep you posted on how these bags wear, how they perform. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll speak to you in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.